Okay, asinibingelele ku-Nevertheless Commentaries. Orlando Pirates 2, TS Galaxy 0. Before ngingene gaming, let me start with the coach we-Orlando Pirates. Iyalazi ibhola ingwenya bafowethu. Iyalazi ibhola ingwenya. Lord Ward uyalazi ibhola bafowethu. He knows football. So I've been doubting the coach for the longest time, but today he proved me that no, he actually knows football. Coming into the game, the fact that kwi-lineup yakhe he brought in Willem Tajela as a number 8 and he went on to get the man of the match, this proves something to you. You're going to look to Willem Tajela, you look to Sihle Nduli, you look to Sibelebele, you look to Ozwinapolis, you look to Umoremi, you look to Urele, you look to Makgopa, you look to Mabasa when he comes in, you look to Lebitso with full back, ama-center back waka-2 CM noNombokazi, even uHot noChayeni, even ama-players asebenchini, abombule oTito, the rest. You could see these players that are happy. So I think he is winning his game with management. So he's got players on his side because my players Orlando Pirates, even in the grounding, they are happy and they want to perform. So for that, Ulord Ward bafowethu, he deserves it. He deserves it. He realizes ibhola and he is good as a manager. So ngaphandle njengongahloniphi, Ulord Ward won this game today. I wanted to ngiqale lapho nje. 2, second point ngisacoaching ngifuna ukulenza ukuthi uma ubuka iPirates the way Orlando Pirates plays, you could see that the guy was a defender. Ulord Ward was a defender, and you could see he was a decent defender if you look at the structures of Orlando Pirates defensively. Orlando Pirates is so organized defensively that it's going to be very, very hard for teams to score against that team. They are aggressive on the ball. They always first on the ball. If they lost the first ball, they are going to get the second ball. Look at them out of position. How they regroup and bavala ama spaces so that ama opponents angezokwazi ukubreak ama lines. So out of position, uNemtajela, Unduli, they were compressing with Umbokazi and no CM and also Lebitso and Nord. They were compressing so much that but deny TS Galaxy ama space to break the lines, and that forces abombunjani ukuthi mabephethe ibhola badlale emasayidini badlale wide, and wide ayikho into ebuyayo because uLebitso on the right full back is so good, and also Hoto is so good on the left full back that they make sure ukuthi awekho amabhola aqhamukayo from emasayidini angena in front of goal. On position, build up phase, the effect ka-chain supporting in build up phase makes some opponent doubt to actually press iPirate high, because the press yakho high ibhola liyaku-chain, that means senior shot iPirate is gaining numerical advantage because China is that good also with ibhola enyaweni. So Ulord Ward bafowethu has found his rhythm. He has shown what type of a coach he wants to play. 2, after I build up phase, namhlanje idetail ebikhona ukuthi uNemtajela as an 8, he was so good in progressing the play. He was finding those forward passes. Not once, not twice, but many times he was finding those forward passes, and the Pirates was very threatening. The only thing that was maybe I would comment on that was slightly negative was the fact that when they get into the final third, they are rushing, man. They are rushing. Maybe it's a detail that maybe a coaching detail with final third, you must be more aggressive and use more pace and punish your opponent. But sometimes mabususe boxing, dingo uyithela ngamanzi, ubulala indoda ngebrush, ishilize ngedidi, and then kube clear phambi kwakho because amahlathi asevulekile, ubulala umzala ngebrush washishiliza, then govuleka, then usukliye ngento kufanele ukuthi uyenze, because there's a goal in front of you, and there's also opponent, not opponent, options wakho from team players wakho. So sometimes you need to uyithela ngabandayo, ubulala umzala ngebrush eboxini, mabe bekuthinta uthola penalty. They also need to, but that takes players are skillful. So such things you can get from abo Rele, abo Police, abo Tito, abo Masterchef, ukuthi mayefike eboxini, instead of rushing njengoba iPirates yenza, especially with uMoremi and uWard. I think it's them who stood out for me, rushing in the box. You need to sometimes you need to go to ngamanzi abandayo and ubulala umzana ukuthi asheshilize, kuvuleka amahlathi, yonke libe clear, and then know where you're gonna pick the spots. Either uphasela inethi or uphasela iplayer langakini elizokwazi ukufinish. That's the only probably a detail that they need to fix ukuthi in the final box, in the final third, especially in the 18 area, badinga uyithela ngamanzi abandayo mase belapho. There's no need to rush. And noma sebalene lokho noma balungise leyo detail, iPirates izowaphuphisa ama-teams, izowaphuphisa ngabo-4, ngabo-5, ngabo-6, ngabo-7, and sometimes ngabo-8-0, because they are so good defensively. And even if sebelapse consideration, because if you look at from the 80th minute to 98th minute, you could see there was a lapse of concentration, and then ETS Galaxy had some chances from the lapse of concentration, but Chain made sure that Pirates kept the clean sheet. So kudos also to Sipho Chain. Stellar job ayenza lapha Orlando Pirates need not to be looked down upon. Kumele sincome indoda iyasebenza kakhulu lapha endini. So overall, the team of Orlando Pirates, yeah, it was fluid, and I was impressed with how coach he's changing his players around. Since kuna competitions amaningi awadlalayo, you could see that from MTN 8, there's also a Betway Premiership, there's also a Champions League. Now there's a Calling Black Label Cup. Coming the weekend, there's a game of Calling Black Label Cup. I'm also expecting him to rotate the squad circuit, because you could see that he won. Players are grounding, players are betting, even the players in the stand who are not a part of the team, but they are with the team. You could see that everyone is rallying that the team must win, whether on the field of play, whether on the bench, whether on the stands. Everybody is united and they are a team, and that's what you need as a coach first, because without a team, then you are not the coach. So Abdeslam Wado is doing a good job. I was thinking that at first when he lost his 2 games, I thought he was going to drop the ball after Jose Rivera, but he is not dropping the ball. He's actually picking up where Jose left off and moving forward. For that, congratulations to the Orlando Pirates. Congratulations to Coach Wadu. Sebembiza lo Wadu ungadlwana bafowethu. Into yawini lokho njalo. I-cup ngengale yodwa, uBlack Coffee wasebholini wasegroundini. So yeah, congratulations to ibhakabhaka. Uma buke lokho njalo, because ngabe injustice makuthi susubuka i-TS Galaxy indlela idlala ngakhona. TS Galaxy is a good side. We need to make no doubt about that. And the goalkeeper wabo is very, very solid. He's a good shot stopper. You could see with the number of saves that he did. I think he made about 7 saves. Unfortunately, one of those went in, because that one for Makgopa was a penalty. Also, with the second goal, Kamabas, it's a good finisher, but it's a good interplay between Urele, Woto, and Urele has mastered the game of playing Ebola into spaces, because if you see that interplay, Urele played that ball into a space, and Hoto ran into that space of an Ebola lapa. And for once, Hoto, that is something I always cry about to Hoto. Make good decisions on the final third, and that's what exactly he did there. Instead of getting too excited and he calmed himself down and loopy ball. Then that's all that they need. Me speaking about not rushing in the 18-yard area, and calming themselves down in the final third. That's exactly what Hoto did there. Kodamabas is exactly what I'm talking about, because they need to calm down when they are there and then pick player langakubo umuntu eliku-position right to score, because sometimes ngabe slightly off goal post, it's very, very hard to score. Sometimes you need to whip that cross in or a cutback, but you need to make sure that you pick a player to pass to, so that he can be able to score if he is in the right position in front of goal. I think that's the detail that Pirates need to look at and actually emulate that moment on the last on the last few minutes of the game. That's exactly what they need to see and take that and move with it forward. Bukitias Galaxy, I was saying that is a good side. They have a good goalkeeper, and also defensively they are solid. It's just that the Pirates was so aggressive to them and was so dominant to them. The Pirates made sure with the center it was very, very hard to progressively play. Hence they were forced to go back emasayidini, because Unduli noNemthatjela noRele lapha, their trio in the center was so good, whether in defense and also in attack. So, but above everything else, it's not that ETS Galaxy was a bad side today. It's just that they were unfortunate to find the Pirates on that form. So, but hard luck to ETS Galaxy. I am hoping they will find actually a proper number 9, because I think they do need a proper number 9. Someone who's going to get the reference moving forward, because they do have, I think the guy's name is, I'm telling God, Umvelasi. I think Umvelasi, the Rastaman. I don't think he's a natural striker. I think he is more of a 10 or a midfielder, probably because of the shortage of players. They play him as a number 9, but I think they need to find a proper number 9 and then one proper, at least to a number 10. Then having a focal point with a proper strike, I think there's something that can happen. With them having that guy Utitejane on the wing, if they can find another impressive wing as much as Utitejane, they are going to be a threat. But Kwamanyama department, I think they are okay. They are a team that can compete and also can surprise many. Lapha Premiership. But above everything else, this is nevertheless commentaries. Uyazi usehlaba siyahlinza siyahlahlela sayaba umuntu ofuna uphika uyoyiphekela yena kubo. Give me one reason why you have not subscribed. This is nevertheless commentaries. My name is Sipho Ndlovu and I am out. Peace.